Hello students, in this video I am going to start cytoplasm. We have seen in the cell wall structure that the cytoplasm is labeled, which is a fluid-like structure in which all the cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, etc. floats in the cytoplasm, which is fluid-like structure. It is present in both human chick cells and onion pill. Onion pill means in plant cell and in animal cell. Cytoplasm is present in both. The region takes up very little stain. When it is stained by the safranin or methyl blue, it is stained very lightly. It is called cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It is also contain many specialized cell organelles. As I said, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, mitochondria, etc. are in cytoplasm. Which of these organelles perform a specific function for the cell? Cell organelles are enclosed by membrane in prokaryotic. As we seen in prokaryotic, the cell lacks nuclear membrane. Besides the absence of a definite nuclear region, the membrane-bound cell organelles are also absent. On the other hand, the eukaryotic cell have nuclear membrane as well as nuclear enclosed organelles. Means in eukaryotic, the nuclear membrane is present and it is also present covering the organelles. The significance of membrane can be illustrated with the example of virus. Because virus does not have membrane, hence do not show characteristics of life until they enter a living body and use its cell machinery to multiply. In this, there is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Please complete this box in your textbook. Now we will see cell organelles. We have already seen which are the cell organelles and they are present in cytoplasm. Every cell has a membrane around it to keep its own content separated from the external environment. Large and complex cell, including cell for multicellular, means which contains many cells in an organism, need a lot of chemical activities to support their complicated structure and function. To keep their activities of different kinds separate from each other, this cell use membrane-bound little structure or organelles within themselves. This is one of the features of eukaryotic cell that distinguish them from prokaryotic cell. Some of these organelles are visible only with an electron microscope. Some of the important examples of cell organelles which we will discuss now are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids and vacuoles. They are important because they carry out some very crucial function in cells. So in next video we will see all the cell organelles which carry out very crucial function in cell. Complete all the diagrams of cell wall, nucleus, and please complete this box. Thank you.